Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. This is Punjab Board 6th class English Literature first lesson. Our title of the lesson is Brave Sundar Lal. Sundar Lal was a boy, and why was he given this name Brave Sundar Lal? We'll see in this lesson. Okay, I'll just read the lesson. Sundarlal was a little boy like you. He belonged to a small village in Gujarat. His father was the in charge of a level crossing. So Sundarlal was a boy like all of you, and he belonged to a small village in Gujarat, and his father was the in charge of a level crossing. Level crossing means we all know, we all say no railway gate, that is called level crossing. I'll show you. See, this is level crossing. When the train comes, they close this gate, and when the train goes, they open the gate. Okay? So, this is called level crossing, and the person who closes this gate and opens this gate, he is the in charge of that level crossing. So, Sundarlal's father was the in charge of a level crossing. Okay, one day Sundar was walking along the railway track when it began to rain heavily. Soon it began to thunder. So Sundar, he was just walking along the railway track, and it started raining heavily, and thundering also was there. And when there was a flash of lightning, he saw a boulder on the track. So there was lightning also, and in one flash of a lightning, he saw a boulder on the track, railway track. So boulder means it's a big rock. Okay, and we all know if any such big rock is there on the track, it is not uh, good for the train, right? Train would meet with an accident. So he saw that boulder, and Sundar knew that a train was to pass on that track shortly. So he already knew that a train is going to come soon. So he ran to his father for help. Sundar's father in turn ran to the nearest railway station to inform them. So he ran to his father and he told his father about this boulder. So his father, he ran to nearest railway station to tell them that please stop the train. Okay, and then what happened? Suddenly Sundar heard the whistle of the train. He could see a passenger train fast approaching to his side. So he was just waiting over there, and he heard the whistle already. That means train is already coming. So he was sure that if he did not do anything, the train would surely meet with an accident. So his father, he went to railway station, and Sundar was waiting there, and train is coming. So if Sundar did not do anything now, then train would surely meet with an accident. It will come and hit the boulder, and it will meet with an accident. So he turned around to see if his father was coming. His father was not there to be seen. So he was waiting no for his father. So he turned around and saw, but his father was not coming. Sundar said to himself, I cannot wait for my father. I must do something to save the lives of the passengers. So he thought, I should not wait now, I cannot wait, so I must do something. He saw a lighted lamp in his father's cabin. He ran as fast as he could. He picked up the lamp from the cabin and ran back. So he started thinking, what should I do now? Then he saw a lamp in his father's cabin. He took that lamp and he started running towards the train. He stood on the track and held the lamp, signaling the driver to stop the train. Stop, stop, Sundar shouted. So he started showing that lamp to the train driver, and he started shouting also, please stop the train. The driver of the train was very alert. He noted he noticed the light. He stopped the train. So the driver of the train, he saw this lamp and he started thinking, there is something wrong. Someone is showing me the lamp, so I should stop. So he started putting brakes and he stopped the train. Then all the passengers, they got to know what happened, and all the passengers got down and thanked Sundar for saving their lives, right? So they all were saved, no? Train did not hit the boulder and train did not meet with the accident, so they all were safe now. So they came down and they started thanking Sundar. Do you know this is a true story? So it is not just a made up story, children. This is a true story. It really happened. Sundar was rewarded for his act of bravery and alertness by the President of India. So that time Sundar did very brave act. No, he did not get fear. He did not keep quiet when he saw something wrong is going to happen. People are going to die. Train will meet with an accident. So he did not keep quiet. He started taking action. He thought about it and he took the lamp and he started showing it. So he did not keep quiet. So we can learn from this lesson that when we have some problem in our own life, or when somebody near to us, they have some problem, we should not keep quiet. We should think about it and we should do something to help them or help ourselves. Okay, I hope you understand the lesson.